When it comes to outdoor living spaces, there's no better way to accent a surrounding landscape than with genuine natural stone. And with Indiana limestone, America's building block, its beauty will stand up over time, lasting for multiple generations. Pillars add depth to any space and make great border definitions, used along property lines or as part of a fence or driveway design, with or without lighting. Using Polycor's garden wall product, which is a double-sided split-face material in standard 3-inch and 6-inch heights by 8-inch widths and random lengths, pillars can be constructed in multiple configurations. Typically, 6 to 8 inches of compacted aggregate base is required to provide a firm foundation for pillar installations. In this project, the pillars are part of a garden wall, installed over existing granite pavers set on easy base, a high-density foam panel that replaces traditional compacted aggregate-based installations. The Easy Base extends 12 inches beyond the wall and pillars for added support. Using a Polycor 20 by 20 by 2-inch Indiana limestone wall cap and allowing for a 2-inch overhang as a guide, the pillar dimension was set at 16 by 16 inches. Dry lay several courses of blocks, cutting and grinding the mating split faces to draw the joint together. Begin by damp-proofing the bottom of the first course of block only. No other damp-proofing is necessary. Mix according to manufacturer's recommendations. Some ends will arrive pre-split and others will require mechanical splitting either with a chisel or hydraulic splitter, which is recommended. Alternate courses, paying attention to corners to make sure they are lining up vertically, and chisel when necessary to align corners. After, begin gluing in place. Here, Structure Bond polyurethane adhesive is used, a super strength foam adhesive that replaces traditional glue, bonding blocks in just 8 minutes. When desired height is reached, glue and lay the pillar cap in place, checking for equal overhang on all 4 sides. With Polycor, our stone, your ideas.